Hello guys, Adam here from Adam Option Academy. Many people ask me about my ThinkorSwim setup. How do I trade option? How do I up my stop loss in option to break even very fast? How do I have automatically stop loss? What is the best setup for option trading in ThinkorSwim? I believe ThinkorSwim is one of the best platform to trade option because you can manage the position very easy here, up stop loss, or you have 20% automatically stop loss, or any percentage you want. It's very easy. Right now I will explain to you guys. As you can see, this is a paper money account. I can show you everything. We can take trades wherever, and let me explain first of all what is my setup. I jump here on the chart. I activate only the active trader and the chart, as you can see, and I use the 3 minute chart for charting. This is SPY, not option yet. So very simple. On the left I have the two watch list. First watch list is for the any ticker I want to trade manually. I put them here. Most of the time I trade only SPY Qs. And the second watch list is for to watch the position, because on ThinkorSwim you can't watch how much you up or down in a percentage or money when you trade option here, only when you trade stocks. So I have this here, the average price, the last price, how many contract I have, PNL in a percentage, and PNL in money, and total cost for this trade. So this is my setup. Is very simple and very easy. Chart, all I need, and the DOM or the matrix trader, and these button. So let's now see how do I use this to trade option. Before the market start, I come here and see where is the SPY trading. Let's suppose SPY trading at 501 right now. I jump on this trade. Most of the time I trade 1 day expiration. If you guys want to trade 0 DTEs, absolutely no problem, but you need a better risk management. So here I put all the near to in the money contract. I put like something like that. I edit, as you can see, this watch list called SPY. I edit to SPY. I edit 501 also. Added to SPY. I also added 502. Why I'm doing this? To keep all these option contracts near to the money. If I see SPY maybe move to 501, I will take 502. If SPY move to maybe 499, I will take the 500, something like that. I prefer to stay near of the money. If I trade 0 DT, I take only in the money. So as you can see here, SPY trade 501, I will trade 500. And the same thing I do for the puts. I like, for example, what contract I want to trade for the puts. Right click 500 and add it to SPY. So right now I have all my contract in a pre-market and what I want to trade. So that doesn't mean don't need to come back to this page and watch what need to figure out what's a strike, and maybe this is gonna take a few times to put it on the chart. So right now I jump to the chart. As you can see, this is linked one, this is one, this is one. That's mean when I'm going to click anything here, it will move automatically to my trader, and the chart automatically be this chart right now. The option chart is not for SPY. Now let's understand how do I trade and how I have an automatically 20%, anything, any percentage you want to put it, and how do I up my stop loss to break even. Now let's learn how to have 20% stop loss. You will click here, you will jump to TRG, will open this for you. The first one is the profit taking, and the second one is the stop loss. We will change it by clicking here on the mouse to percentage, and this is also to percentage, and make sure this is in minus the stop loss. Put it 20%, and the profit taken will be in positive 20%. Most of the time I don't use the profit target option because I up my stop loss to break even and start selling manually, so I disable this option. Now any number of contract I will take. By the way, before you actually take a trade, you can save it here and name it 20% SL, that means stop loss. Save. Now let's cancel it. You want to take a trade now on SPY 502. You will trade here. You will take click here on the contract you want to trade. Now you will just active or click on the template that you already saved. As you can see now, any number of contract will change automatically. Now let's try to buy. Any position you will take. As you can see here, now we bought. We open, as you can see, we have stop loss here. You can up your stop loss from here. Now, as you can see, sorry, there was some delay. When you click, before you click in the buy, please take a look here. That's mean your, by the way guys, this is paper money, so maybe there will be some lagging or something like that. So when you click here, any position, as you can see here, this is your average price, or buy the market or buy the ask. Most of the time I like to use buy the market or buy the ask, sorry, to like avoid any spread or something like that. So, or I want to get filled exactly at the price I want to get filled. So let's buy now, maybe 30 contract. As you can see here, we just get filled. As you can see here, we have automatically 20% stop loss. When you scroll down, you will see it. When you be green, by the way guys, when I take any of these position, I send this, the contract I took, to here. So I know my average price, my last price, how many contract, how much I am up, and in a percentage in money, and how much this trade cost me. 77, I believe that mean like $7,000 or something like that. You can edit the net liquid here, so you can know exactly how much in money this. Exactly 7,800. Anyway guys, when I be green, many people ask me how do I up my stop loss to break even. There is two ways. You just go down and start moving this to your average price. As you can see, we have our average price here 2.85, and now the price trading at 260. I don't like to up my stop loss till I be like up 6-7%, and to up my put my stop loss exactly at my entry price here 260. I like to put it above my average price in 1 cent. You can do it from here. I mean up your stop loss. As you can see here, that's great example because we are green. I will show you exactly how I up my stop loss to break even. You can do it from here, our average price 260, but just pull this and this will move automatically. You can do it from the chart or you can do it here. Now when my position, I just sit back and I watch my position go to the upside and start selling my position in multi-stages. When I start selling, I like to, any trade I take, before I take any trade, I already have the plan. This is like scalping trade or selling multi-stages, I want to hold. When my position start be above 10, 15, 20%, I sell something. I sell like quarter of my position, half of my position, till I have leave runners. On these runners, I up my stop loss to break even and just let it go. Now let's try, I'm up 5, let's try to sell like 10 contract. Pay attention, when you sell 10 contract, you now when you try to sell, make sure to cancel the order that you have in your stop loss. Sell 10 contract. Now we have, as you can see, we still have 20. What we gonna do? We will do exactly, we will click again. Sorry, you have to put it 20 because we have 20. And what is our average price? 2.85. I will put my stop loss, that's mean a break even, 260. We go up more to the upside. I cancel my stop loss. I sell another 10 contract. Now I still have like 10 contract. I will immediately put the stop loss again at 260. Now I sold like more than half of my position. On the last quarter, what I do, I like to hold longer with, and it depends on the setup like I told you. And when I hit bigger percentage. Now free risk, I already made money, as you can see here, and I already still have contract. If the trade go higher, I will not have any FOMO, and if the trade hit my stop loss, I will not lose anything. So this is how I use ThinkorSwim to have 20% stop loss. Most of the time, guys, I have a 20% stop loss because I trade 1 day expiration. If my trade go to minus 20%, that big reason for me to cut the trade. Why? Because big chance that I was just wrong. I was just wrong in this position. I prefer to take the loss instead of averaging down. And if I see the setup is still there, most of the time I leave one contract and to watch where this should be, if I'm still holding up or down. And by the way, like I told you, this is paper money, so we did not get fooled. Absolutely, in 100% in real money, we will stop loss will hit. So most of the time, when I minus 20%, I prefer to take the loss. If I see the setup is back to work, I can take it again in a state of holding and hoping. Maybe I can double my position and size. Even if I took a loss, I will get back to break even very fast. But most important thing, if I was down like 20%, I have to take the loss because big chance I was wrong or I have the wrong entry. And especially for me, I trade 1 day expiration, not 0 day expiration. If you trade 0 day expiration, you probably will need bigger than 20% stop loss, because on 0 day expiration, 20% stop loss most of the time not work. Why? Because 0 day expiration, you can be down like 20% in one candle, understand? And in the second candle, you're back even to green. So it's will not work. So when I trade 0 day expiration, I size down in my position. For example, on 1 day expiration, my size is $10,000 per trade. On 0 DT, I size down to half, understand? So I will take 5,000 per trade, and you will see my stop loss right now is 40%. This is all depends on your risk management and how you manage the trade. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. You can trade with me every morning. You can see the links in down below in the direction. Like, subscribe for more tutorial and more tips in trading. Thank you.